Alright folks, so today's plan is to make a test fit of these babies. So this is a custom pipe, dual exhaust, Diablo custom work. We're gonna test fit them on the Royal Star. Now it's the original brackets here does not fit these ones here, so we're gonna test fit them, measure, and probably do some extra work to make them fit. We're gonna need to make some welding. First thing first, we're gonna make a test fit. Let's go. All right, this one's ready, and this one, it goes out a bit difficult. All right, there you go. Don't forget that you need to unscrew this. First time it goes difficult as the underneath pipe it's longer, it goes deeper. If you compare them to, look at this one. This always, the shorter one always goes on the top. All right, back to the table. Right, so here's something you need to know. Making a custom pipe, it's a pain in the ass, big time. Like, look at the diameter of this one, the original muffler, and then look at this one. So when I purchased these mufflers, I really wanted some aggressive look for my Royal Star, as I have 4 exhausts, and I choose to buy this ones, but it really pain in the ass. Have a look. First thing first, this is the original tip that goes right here, okay? Then I made 4 separate pieces, 2 short ones for this muffler, and then I made another 2 so they can look like this one. There you go. It needs just a little bit measurements, welding, and just to make it happen. But at the end, sorry for the noises, it's gonna be the top one, and the other one goes in here. Now bear in mind that if you drill a line, that it's gonna look like this one. There you go. You see? At the end of it, you need to make a circle hole with a drill instead of just line, because once you tight it up, it's gonna break. It's gonna spread all the way through. Trust me, I did it, I know. So basically what we got is, you do this first, then you put this clamp for the exhaust here. Obviously it's got a cover that I didn't put here, and then you got another clamp that goes here. And originally this muffler came matte black, and it was very difficult to strip the paint off and just shine the aluminum. It's not like a chrome, like you can obviously see the difference, but it's good enough for me, and I'm happy with the result. So I'm really sorry about the lighting. I'm going to upgrade the garage with a nice LED lights very soon. So once again, you got the first bracket that goes here to get tight the muffler. Then we got this little nice extension that we did and we weld. You can see in here. Here's how it looks. We don't need to shine this out as it's gonna be covered. All right, let's go here. And this is the final bracket that goes here, and you get it tight in here. Okay. Nice and tight. Okay. And the second one the same way. This guy right here. There is this bracket that goes here. It has a lot more clean and nice look. Guys, don't judge me. I'm amateur, so what I'm gonna do is some real old school way. If the pencil works, this is not the right way, but this is all I can think of as an amateur. All right. So eventually we're gonna just cut this bracket and weld it right here facing down. Alright, so here it is. We basically repositioned the brackets, so now they will fit nice and easy straight to the holes where it should be. Now one thing that is left to do, it's pretty shiny like you can see on the camera, but actually is not. At some places it's more and at the others is less, so I need to sandpaper it again, and hopefully in the upcoming weeks I will polish them properly, but this is gonna be in the next video. So now I'm just gonna clean them up, sandpaper them, and put them on. I just rebuilt the whole entire brake caliper, changing the O-rings and the sealings and everything in it. So it's basically brand new inside. And I did a solid dish on my own. So any one of you folks out there that is looking to do a full dish on the front and on the back, you just text me and I will explain you how to make it happen, because the original OM ones are pretty expensive. So this side done, going on the other side. One more thing I want to mention that I've done, and I haven't seen anyone doing it, is lowering the bracket so the fender can go a little bit deeper in the tire, giving that custom look. Now there is original brackets that are meant specially for Royal Star as a lowering kit, but here's the thing you can do. Have a look. So here is the shock and the bracket that holds everything on the back. So what I did, I drill a hole here and on the other side, equal, the same place. So what you do is you move this bracket that holds the whole swing arm up, you move it just a few inches down, and you get that custom lowering kit look on your motorcycle. And it's an easy step. It's gonna take you probably a few hours to remove it, drill it, and put it back, and it gives a really big difference the way it looks. But remember, after you drill a hole and you lower your bike, you need to adjust the rear shock to be a bit more stiff. Otherwise, if you don't do that, as your fender goes lower, if you go through a bump, the brake caliper, it's gonna hit the fender. And I don't know if you can see, but right here I had my fender bended, so I had to fix it. It's not the best job in the world, but it's better than it used to be. So yeah, just have that in mind. Let's go on the other side and put the other two slip-on mufflers.